Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells you want to change. Once selected, enable wrap text from the toolbar if you need text on multiple lines. This controls line breaks inside each cell. You should check row height and any merged cells because they affect spacing. Make sure column width is set so text wraps predictably. If handling many rows, use a helper column to preview changes before applying them to the whole sheet. Next, you change the row height to control spacing between lines. Right-click a row number and choose Resize Row, enter a pixel value for precise spacing, or select Fit to Data to auto-adjust. Once done, apply the same value to multiple selected rows to keep consistency. Make sure text wrapping is active. If not, lines may be truncated. You can also use format options to standardize text alignment and vertical centering, which influences perceived line spacing. Finally, fine-tune spacing by adjusting font size and vertical alignment. These change how much space appears between wrapped lines. If spacing still looks wrong, unmerge any merged cells and clear custom formatting on the problematic range. Merged cells and style overrides often prevent expected behavior. If you use scripts or add-ons, make sure they aren't resetting row heights. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, duplicate the sheet and experiment on the copy to isolate the cause without risking your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.